Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Yoshi from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw this cute dinosaur, let's first start by drawing the nose. So I'm going to start right here and draw this big curve to create this huge ovalish circular nose. So I'm just going to go up and just play around with your oval. You can start wherever you're just most comfortable with. But we just want this kind of roundish oval. Almost a circle, but not completely. So just make it nice and round. And let's bring it in towards the bottom here. So sometimes you might feel it's easier to start on the sides, maybe just start at the top. Just play around with it. So I'm just gonna complete my oval here. Okay, so nice and round. And now that we have that, I'm gonna come to the bottom here and say, let's say about right here, and just gonna drag it across, straight across, so I know I'm pretty even. And I'm going to draw the mouth. I'm just gonna add this curve underneath here. Right underneath. And then from there, right at the top right here, just a little bit, I think we might be able to see a little bit of the mouth open, so you can add a little curve right here if you like. Okay, so then from there we need to draw the cheeks. So just imagine this curve is kind of coming out, and say about right here, I'm going to lightly just add another curve right on the sides. Not a lot, just a little bit. And we're going to flush it down to about right here. So just bring this curve in. To about there. So same thing on the other side. All right here. On the sides. So this version of Yoshi that I'm drawing is straightforward. So I thought maybe it's a little bit easier to draw, because I did draw one where his usual pose from the side years ago. So hopefully you like that one and this one. Just thought I'd give you a different pose to draw with. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So let's find your center of this oval, which is about right, I'll say about right here. And I'm going to go up, straight up, say about this tall. And then from there, I'm going to curve out and bring it down to about right here. And then same thing on the other side. And so about right there. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and come about right here. And we need to add this eyelid. So we're going to thicken that part up and then bring it down to about there. And same thing on this side. So much thinner on the sides. And then for the eyes, let's come about right here. We're going to draw part of an oval right about here. And let's add a highlight, so put in a circle. And then if you like, you can put in another oval here. Shade this in all black. And then right in here, you can put in some of the color for Yoshi's eyes. Or you can just go ahead and shade it in all black. So same thing here. I did a better job on this one. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and we need to draw the nostrils, right? So let's bring down, say about right here is our center. I'm going to come to the left and just darken in this kind of like a drop shape for the nostrils, or like a watermelon seed. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So the head's all done. Let's come about right here where the mouth is, and we're just going to draw a soft curve on both sides for the shoulders. Then, let's see here. Let's come, let's see what's a little bit easier way. Let's come about right here. And we're going to draw an angle line. So this is kind of like inside the tummy area. Just want to get that in first, and then we're going to come out a little bit, about right here. Draw another line. So I kind of know where that goes, and then we can go ahead and bring this down. So we just want to create this big curve for the tummy. Let's see, keep going, bring it all the way down to about right there, and go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. There. Then right here, we're going to go ahead and come down. Just follow that curve you drew on both sides. And let's say about right there. Let's say come here, both sides. We draw two curves. So that's where the legs are going to start. So then about right here, we'll stop and pop this part out and bring it in. So same thing. We just want to make sure we're on the same level. And then pop it out just like the other side and bring it in. So now that we have that, let's say about right there, we're going to go ahead and cut it off with a curve. And let's work on this side first. Let's draw the boots. So we're going to curve on both sides, thicken it up. And then for the shoes, just come down with a curve. And then we're going to pop this part out and just bring it all the way in. Just trying to simplify it as much as possible. So same thing here. There. Okay, so we have both feet in. Now let's draw the arms. So I'm going to have the arms come to the sides, and we want the hand about right here where the thigh is. So let's bring this out. Bring this down. Make it a little bit thicker as we come down. And then right about here, let's draw the thumb. So really close to the thighs, we're going to draw a thumb. And then right here is where we're going to start to angle and come down. And one more. And then we're going to curl in the finger right there. So we're going to round this part off. Just make this a little bit thicker. There. Okay. So same thing on the other side. Right there. So we're going to start the arms, the thumb about right there. And bring it down and curl in and just finish it off. There. Okay, was trying to follow the original, sorry. There. And let's see if I'm missing anything. So because it's the front view, we won't be able to see the tail or the spine on the back. So that should be pretty much it for my drawing here of Yoshi. Oh, you know what? Let's add a light little heart right here in the center to make this my Draw So Cute new Yoshi from Super Mario. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.